Congratulations on being admitted to Linköping University. We are delighted to be able to offer you a place to challenge yourself and to forge a new path in life. My name is Karina and I'm here to talk you through the most important things to consider and do after being admitted. These are parallel processes, so don't delay either of them. To make it easier for you, we have created a flowchart for you. Let me talk you through it now. You need to think about where you want to live. Where is your program based? This will normally decide things for you. If it's in Norrköping, you probably want to live there, and vice versa for Linköping. In Norrköping, the first step should be to register with hyresbostäder.se. If you are offered accommodation through them, you need to be prepared to pay a deposit. In Linköping, the two main student housing companies are studentbostäder.se and heimstaden.com. Register with both as soon as possible if you haven't done so already. If you've been admitted to a distance program and you are a non-EU, you will unfortunately not be eligible for a residence permit, so you won't be able to move to Sweden. If you are from the European Union, you can of course live wherever you want within the European Union. Are you required to pay tuition fees? If you are an EU EEA citizen, you don't need to pay tuition fees, but you need to make sure that you can support yourself for the whole program. Our programs require full-time studies. Not only are part-time jobs hard to come by, but they're also difficult to combine with successful studies. We do want you to succeed and to graduate. Non-EU citizens are most likely to be fee-paying students. If you received a scholarship, congratulations. If there is any remaining tuition fee to be paid, you will be sent the instructions on how to pay by late April. No invoices will be sent out. Don't forget, you still need to cover your cost of living. We are sorry if you didn't receive an expected scholarship. If you are unable to pay the tuition fee yourself, please let us know by declining the offer on your universityadmissions.se account. So, if you have the money to pay for your tuition fee, either from a scholarship or your savings, what's next? Pay the tuition fee as soon as possible, and remember that there is a strict deadline, which is usually early June. Follow the payment instructions emailed to you in late April. Remember to include your application number. Once you have submitted your payment, it will take up to 3 weeks before you receive a confirmation from Linköping University. If after this time you've still not heard from us, please email tuitionfees@liu.se and enclose your bank receipt and application number. Always remember to include your application number in all correspondence relating to payments. Once this is completed, you can begin applying for a residence permit. Quickest way to do it is online. Linköping University will inform the Swedish Migration Agency that your payment has been received. Finally, it's very important that you don't miss being present for the mandatory roll call in August. Plan your arrival to make sure you are here for the roll call, or even better, a few days earlier. You will lose your place if you are not physically present for the roll call. You can find this information lots more at liu.se/admitted. And again, congratulations!